grams of cauliflower, cooked cauliflower, 400 grams of hot cream. I'm adding in 8 grams of salt, 200 grams of egg whites, just to make sure there's not big pieces in it, okay? I have a seafoam bottle. Cauliflower seafoam. You have an egg. I cleaned the egg, I cooked the egg, okay? I put it in an egg yolk cream. The egg is cooked for 2 hours at 60 degrees. Put in some raw cauliflower pieces. Just raw, peeled, put in water so they're crispy. And there's a parsley oil inside as well. Parsley oil is just parsley and oil mixed together. 250 grams of parsley, 50 grams of oil, okay? This is a fresh oysters, just chopped, a little bit of salt. Then we top it up with cauliflower foam. Okay? Beautiful. And then you eat.